in this one, we have the CUCME, call manager.
Yes, that's it.
We have switch 1 and then PC1 and 2 on VLAN 100, PC3 in VLAN 108, from where we are going to monitor the traffic, voice traffic. So for this, first just register the devices like usual to prepare the LAN. And the first thing we have to do is we can analyze the traffic, how it is going from PC1 to PC2 on Wireshark. So when we open Wireshark and make a call from phone 1 to phone 2, it shows you the stream that the calls are going on. Let me show you. So yeah, it's all that, but interesting. So you can see on the Wireshark that the call is going from phone 1, which is 10.1.5.200, to the destination 252, which is the gate, the router, CUCME, because it first has to go to the call manager, and then call manager will forward the call from phone 1 to phone 2, right? So now by that we know that it is going to through the call manager. Yeah, so by that we know that our switch, which is connected to the router, has this port, Gigabit Ethernet 0/3 is the port where all the traffic is coming from the call manager.
Yeah.
So this is the source port we want to monitor. Yeah? And the destination will be this. We have to capture the traffic from this port and send it to the destination PC3, right, which is our monitoring device here. Okay, so once we have registered the phone, analyze the traffic on Wireshark, then we will enable SPAN. So we'll configure SPAN using two simple commands, source and destination commands. First is monitor session 1, source interface, Gigabit Ethernet 0/3 RX. This is for received traffic, receiving traffic.
This is about switch 1, right?
Switch 1. So on the switch, we are enabling SPAN by this command. We mentioned source as interface Gigabit Ethernet 0/3 receiving traffic.
Yeah.
Okay. Then the second command is
And switch 1. Oh, that's the port 3 is the other port.
yeah, connected to the call manager.
Yes. The
CME.
port.
Correct, the CME. Then the second is the destination, right? So monitor session 1, destination, remote VLAN 108, in which we have PC3, right? So once we configure this, we have that enabled. By these two commands, by default, SPAN is enabled. But SPAN is a old technology with some drawbacks like we discussed yesterday. Analyzing traffic is difficult and there's no scalability. So just as an alternate to that, RSPAN was introduced.
Yes.
So like in STP, we have RSTP. You can change the mode from STP to RSTP, right? Yeah. Same way in SPAN. By default, it's SPAN enabled if you configure the first two commands, the source and destination one. But if you want to change that mode to RSPAN for some of its benefits, just use this command on the destination VLAN. Our destination is VLAN 108. Then put the command remote VLAN. So it will change to the remote SPAN. So it will change to remote SPAN. You can verify your SPAN configuration by using the command show monitor session 1. Two things you should be able to see here is RX port is G0/3, which we have configured, and destination RSPAN port is 108, which is the VLAN. This is the VLAN number, right? So once we see these two, we know that our configuration is configured correctly. Then next part. Now, This is just the simple configuration we have to do on the switch. Next part is to just analyze it, monitor. So to do that, we need an audio file to record the call, yeah, to generate some audio. So we have a folder on the C drive on the PC. You have a folder with programs, and then under that we have Cisco systems, this. You will find a file called this. So we are just using that for testing. So we'll play that during the audio call to generate. Then we go to PC3, which is our monitoring device, right? And open Wireshark. And we start capturing the packets and make a call from PC1 to PC2 from both the phones. And when we make the call, we have to answer the call, right? So you call from PC1, it will go to PC2, from PC2 answer the call. So the call should be connected, then only the RTP string comes in, right? So call is connected. Once it is connected, you will play the audio so that we are not recording, but we are like speaking, just generating some audio, right? So that's what it says. Go back to PC1, call 11002, that's PC2, accept the call, and I don't know why it's, yeah, okay. Accept the call, keep call active, and then double click on the file, the sent file, the WAV file, to play the audio. Once we play the audio, the media file will generate some music that will be used as audio input, right? And that we can monitor on Wireshark. Then on Wireshark, you can stop capture and then just see what packets has captured in that call. So you will see like this, right? And to hear the audio that we used during the call, you just simply have to go to telephony option, which you find in Wireshark here. Can you see? Yeah. So under this, you can see the calls recorded. Yeah. So in telephony, it asks you for VoIP call. You just click VoIP calls, and you will see a call completed. And you will see a play button there. As an administrator who has the access to this device, then PC3 will be able to play and hear what has been talked about on the call.
Oh, really?
Yes. So we did that now, and we hear the recording on the PC3. So you just play it. That's it. It will open. It will play the stream, the music file that we used. So that music will be played here. Shows like this and plays. And that's it. It's easy, simple, and trust. This is how you do SPAN.